So hello people, this is Moscarblog and you're currently joining me inside of the new 2024 E Class, the E300E 4MATIC to be exact, and we are taking it on for a night drive to check out these beautiful ambient lightings. Just look at them. We'll play around with the displays and stuff, so stay tuned. So we have 64 different ambient colors to choose from. As you can see, we can basically swipe our finger anything we want, anywhere we want I mean, and then we can basically set the color we want. Look at this. Or we can also tap the color we want, like this. This is a really nice color actually, to be fair. I always drive like with the pink and the purple ones, but this like the mint blue and stuff, that's also pretty neat. We also have a multiple color scheme set by Mercedes, and then they will run through here these multiple colors. They will walk through the interior, which also looks super amazing. Also multiple schemes here, red and pink, which is also cool. This Miami Rose, which is probably my favorite, with like this blue tone and the pink, but it's like a lighter pink. And look at this here, the ocean blue. They all look super amazing, and this car here at night, absolutely lovely. Also the multi-beam LEDs, they are super smart. It's nothing new. If they see that they have space, they will light up the whole road, and it's absolutely good. Also, our little passenger display has some Mercedes stars here, but I can't see it properly because, yeah, as you know, nobody's sitting there. That's why I can't really use the passenger screen. So people, if you haven't, make sure to check out my review and let me know your opinion about this car, because I'm really curious. Look at this sporty display, multiple display options, multiple ambient colors. This car is absolutely amazing. The E-Class, this E-Class generation is a small S-Class. Of course, it hasn't got the quality, the leather quality is worse and stuff like this, and it doesn't ride as soft, but it is super soft. It's like a small E-Class. The older E-Class was for me like a bigger C-Class, also quality-wise, way worse than this here. And this one here is really nice. So people, we are currently taking it onto the Autobahn, so let's change the drive mode here to Sport. So it is more sporty, and so we can get to from A to B faster. Alright, let's give it throttle here. Sounds like the C63. Okay, let's take it here now left. And look at this, it's super decent. It's actually lovely to drive the new E-Class on the Autobahn as well. Super dark, and just look at these beautiful ambient colors we have. They are so good looking. Also the red, wow. Yes, this is red. Wow, this looks good. This reminds me of the XM label I drove like a week ago or two. And it looks super nice as well in here. By the way, people, check this out. If I play with the temperature here, look at this. It will get displayed here. Look at this. It looks so good. Look at this when we play with the temperature. This is so cool. It's absolutely amazing. So people, I hope you enjoyed this little night drive review of the brand new E-Class. Such an amazing car. I hope you did. If you did, I would be happy if you could give it a like. And subscribe. Check out the other Mercedes-Benz videos, S-Class, AMGs, Lamborghinis, Porsche 918 Spider. I did them all. Make sure to check it out. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.